Good morning guys, this is Ronnie once again and welcome back to my channel. It's another day here in Japan. I'm still here in Saitama, staying with my cousin. And medyo nalibot at napuntahan ko na yung mga kailangan kong puntahan. I'm thinking ano pa ba yung pwede natin gawin. And nakita ko sa YouTube na yung malaking Super Bazaar Book Off nandito rin sa Saitama, malapit sa area ng pinsan ko. So, why not visit the Ukay-Ukay, that specific Ukay-Ukay? Since sinabi nila na masyadong malaki yun at maraming selection, I think may makikita tayo. Kasi hindi lang siya mga books, meron din siyang mga damit at cellphones, and meron din siyang accessories. I hope may makita tayong magandang accessory doon, specifically gold. So let's see. Tour you there. And yung name pala ng store is Super Bazaar Book of Saitama. It is located in Omeya Stellar. So if isa-search nyo, I'll put the maps down below the description box. And you can also just search it on Google because it's like an hour and 20 minutes away from Tokyo. So you can definitely visit. And ayun guys, nakababa na tayo ng train. Ang pinakamalapit na train station dito sa Super Bazaar Book Off is Omiyakoen. Ayun yung name ng station. Then from the station, we have to walk like 20 minutes. Although may option naman to ride a bus. Pero nahihirapan kasi akong basahin yung sa bus. Naka Japanese letters kasi siya. Kaya hindi ko siya mabasa. So I decided to just walk. Well, hindi naman siya problem kasi even though naka-jacket tayo, okay lang mag-walk. Kasi malamig. So I'll just walk and follow Google Maps. That's the good thing here in Japan. Napaka-legit ng Google Maps nila. At yung pina-follow nating route ngayon. Then, I'll show you later once we've arrived. Keys. Ang ganda ng colors ng cloud. So, after walking 20 minutes, guys, I finally reached the Stellar Mall. So, si Book Off Super Bazaar pala ay nasa loob ng Omiya Stellar Mall. So, it's on the second floor. This is the mall, guys. Actually, parang side na to. Pero there, you can see signage na of Book Off. So, it's easy to find naman. So, let's go inside. I'll show you around so that you can take a peek kung ano yung mga products sa loob ng Ukay na to. Ukay shop na to. Ganun. We're finally here, guys. The store, in front of the store actually. I think the store is so huge. Let's go inside. You know what, guys? The store is so huge. It starts from there and stretches up until there. Doon mga luxury goods na bags and then alahas. They also buy back here because if you're not aware, same with Second Street, Book Off, bumibili sila ng mga lumang gamit and then ayun din yung mga binibenta nila as second hand. Okay, where do we begin? Nasa area ko ng pang women's. Let's go to the men's section. Pero later na. I found here some products. Ito. May mga Marc Jacob silang 4,000. And then, ano pa ba? Ito. Mga bag tong una ko nakita pero hindi ko sila ganun kakilala, but the prices are good actually. Hindi ko lang siya alam kung ganun siya kakilala dito sa Japan. So in this area, mga luggage naman to, luggage. And then, aside from the price that you can see, may mga makikita kayong ganyan, yung mga red tags. It says they're 50% off. So pag nakita nyo to like 500, magiging 250 na lang siya. Kasi nga, naka 50% off siya. So, nasa ladies wear ako, sorry. Ayun, may mga nakita akong docs. These are the Doc Martens nila, guys. And look at the quality. It is still nice, na parang hindi siya nagamit. This one, it's 18,000. Wala siya masyadong flaws, parang hindi nagamit. This one is 9,000 lang. So nice. And then yan, mga winter wears, boots. Pero this one is women's section. Let's go to the men's section so that makita nyo yung choices for men's, since ako yung maghahanap for myself. They're making it easy kasi meron silang mga legend na ganito sa floor. Like for this one, BB Goods tableware variety. They have outdoor goods, trading cards, character figure toys, books and video games. Oh, yung sa middle, ayan yung buyback. Kung saan pag may luma kayong gamit, pwede nyo i-benta dyan. Women's clothes, jewelry and wristwatches, and electronics. These are the baby clothes. If you're here, guys, makikita nyo na nakaayos yung mga items depending dun, like winter wear, yung normal wear, t-shirts, ganyan, and by brands. Like that one. Ayan yung mga medyo mamahalin. Alpha, ayan, Gold, Berber. Mga winter wear siya. And then, these are the local brands. They also have bags here. Leather wear naman, ayan. Tommy Hilfiger, the 39,000. Bus brakes, ayan. They have a lot of options. They also have shoes here. These are the shoes. This one, 14,000. Ayan, North Face na 20,000, 17,000. Different prices. This one, ito mga slacks, 800 lang. It looks good na. Ganda. For 800. So cheap. This one just 500. See? Look at the condition. It is still nice. This cap. This one is Edwin. Oh. It's 1.2. This one is nice. Oh, it's 4,000 UC. Pero ang ganda. They also have cameras here, TVs, appliances. They have a lot. Ayan guys, may 20%. I think that's a discount. Diba? Ang daming choices. Those are just the samples of the camera. They also have tablets. These are the tablets. Lenovo. Ayan. These are Microsoft's. Ayan. Mac Mini. They have laptops here. Hindi ko lang maisa-isa. Kasi, mag-check din ako later for myself. Ayan. Laptops. Ang cute. Ang liit nito ah. But what Intel is this? Intel. This is just Intel Atom X5. So, medyo mababa yung processor niya. Kaya siguro mura. Yan. They have monitors. Let's check for the phones also. Phones. They have smartwatches, guys. Ito yung mga smartwatches. Actually, I wanted to have smartwatch also, but later I'll double check. For the phones, these are the phones. They have SE 478, and then this one, iPhone 8 Plus. Or 8. Okay. Ito medyo bago-bagong iPhones. And they also have iPods. They have, ayan, yung mga headphones. Ang daming selection dito. Ito yung iPods nila so that you have an idea. And the condition, guys, I can see it through my very eyes na ang kikinis pa niya. It looks brand new talaga. $4.8. How much is 4.8? Like 60. Okay, ganda. For the others, let's, diba? Mauubos lang yung oras mo kakalibot, guys. So, if ever you visited Japan, I highly suggest na you go here, you visit once.